Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I hope and pray that you are all doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious homemade yogurt. It is very simple. You will only need 2 ingredients and half a gallon of organic whole milk and 5 tablespoons of plain yogurt. So you will start in a pot in a medium-high heat. You will pour the half a gallon of whole organic milk. I got this quick idea of making homemade yogurt from Chef Lola's kitchen. You can check her out. Once I'm done pouring the milk into the pan, I will now keep stirring it to make sure that it does not reach the boiling point. So I'll just keep stirring constantly. As I'm stirring the milk, I want to make sure that it's not reaching the boiling point. So once the steam is now starting to show up and I can see also that the foam is forming, now it's indication for me to turn off the stove and let it cool off. It's been at least 1 hour that my milk has been cooled off. So now I'm adding 5 tablespoons of plain yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, and whatever yogurt you have will also work. But if you want best result, it's better to use the plain yogurt. It's gonna give you a thick homemade yogurt at the end. So I will stir it to make sure that it's all incorporated in. Once I'm done stirring everything in, I will now cover it with a lid and put it in a cool and dry place to let it rest overnight. And then in my case, I put it into the stove and then in the morning put it into the fridge for a couple of hours to let it cool off, because I like to serve my yogurt a little cold. So then now you can see it has a rich consistency. It's very heavy. That's the result that we want. And we can see as I'm serving it. The homemade yogurt is good because you can control the amount of sugar you want into the yogurt. You can add fruits. You can add vanilla extract. You can make whatever yogurt you want. So in my case, I will just add frozen fruits. I will also add maple syrup to give it a sweet taste. This homemade yogurt is really easy to make. So once you taste it, you will not even want to buy the store version anymore, because you can tweak it however you want and put whatever taste you desire. So that's what I did, and you can see it's really good. I hope you try it and let me know in the comments down below how you found it. If you like the content of the videos that I'm making, don't forget to share. Hit the like button, the bell of notification, subscribe so that you can get notified every time I post a new content. I post every Saturdays. In the meantime, enjoy.